All right, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I am your host, Ryan Matta. We're going to dive right into it today. But the main purpose of this video is I need a place where I can actually share all of my links. Because when I put links in videos, if say I have an affiliate link and the company changes the link or I stop working with that company and that link no longer works, when YouTube algorithm is analyzing your video, if the videos have broken links in them, YouTube stops ranking that video. So, and I've noticed when I've been putting certain links in my videos, I don't know if because it's a Linktree link and people use those to promote other channels that are inappropriate or whatever, that YouTube just frowns upon those. So I figured I was going to make one video for my links. So this video is just going to be a link video. That way, if you guys ever want any of my affiliate links or you guys are watching any of my videos in the future, you guys can come over, click on this video, and then just go down in the description of this video, and that'll have my Linktree link. And then my Linktree link will have all my other links in there. So if you guys are ever looking for my links, this is the place to go. Just come back over to this video, search Ryan Matta affiliate links or Ryan Matta links, and you'll see this video down in the description, not down in the comments, because you're going to have all those spammer bots and people like that coming in there and trying to fool you guys. If I'm promoting something, it's always going to be in my Linktree. The only thing that's not in the Linktree will be like our members only, invite only Telegram links. Those you'll have to actually get from me, and you'll have to do that by messaging me or sending me an email, and I'll send you those over. So again, this video is just for all my links, and just to tell you guys a little bit about the private lessons and the coaching that I'm doing. You can come in there and you can actually go into the comments, because members have already commented there, so you can see their comments. If you guys want to message one of those members and ask them if they got their $25 worth, if it was worth signing up for, come and join in our live streams. Just ask them. I don't know if any of them will tell you that they did not get $25 worth. So it's only $25, and again, if $25 is a lot of money to you when it comes to learning how to trade and do those things, and you're not willing to invest $25 to gain that education and gain that one-on-one training and that knowledge, then please don't sign up for this class, because I don't want you to come into this class thinking you're going to sign up and be driving a Lambo next summer. I'm teaching you the strategy. I'm teaching you the formula. I'm coaching you. I'm guiding you guys. I'm not telling you when to buy crypto. I'm not telling you guys when to sell crypto. These are not pump signals. If you plan to come to this class and think that you're going to do no work and you're just going to listen to me when I say buy and you're going to go out and buy a crypto, that's not going to happen. I'm never going to tell you guys when to buy, sell a crypto. It's against, I'm pretty sure it's probably against YouTube rules, but it's just not how I like to do business. I like to teach you the strategy, the system, the formula, and I like to let you guys make your own decisions. And that's what this is all about. It's a class for absolute beginners. So if you're already consistently profitable trading crypto and you're winning more trades than you're losing and you're making money, by all means, this class is not for you, because you already have a great strategy that works. You can join if you want and see if I have quite a few members that I've given free memberships to that are really on that absolute next level. And they've even reached out and said thank you, because I've taught them stuff that they didn't know, and now they've added that or adapted into their current strategy, and now their current strategy is even that much better. So this class is not guaranteed to make you any money. It might even be guaranteed to lose you money, but the strategy's there. It'll guarantee to help you learn how to protect your investments, understand how to spot trends, understand how the Elliott wave theory works, understand how to use fib extension tools, fib retracement tools, and understand how to make and then you'll learn and understand how the first day we picked out coins out of all 100 coins, I picked the top 30 I wanted to focus on. We brought those into TradingView. We went through and broke every single one of them down. I picked out 5, pulled them up, let them live stream, and you watch every single one follow the exact pattern or formation that I was calling out. And there was never, not one of those coins would we have been in a trade on if it didn't go the right way, for example. So this is just a really great way to help you guys protect your investments and understand how price action works and all those good things. And I could go on and on and on. But again, this is just my link video. So thank you guys so much. Every one of my subscribers, I honestly can't thank you guys enough. And I told you guys, anybody that donated and has supported the channel, I'm doing a special giveaway for you guys. So Sunday, I told you I would never take a sponsor if they weren't coming on the team. I got Secra X. They have crypto storage wallets, crypto cold storage wallets, crypto hardware wallets, whatever you want to call them. They're coming on the show Sunday, so I'm going to be doing a special giveaway with this just for the people that have shown me the support and love. We already did the one for everybody that was in our lives. Anybody that came to our BitsGap breakdown live stream, they got entered to win a free, and I picked you guys out. So anybody that stayed to the end, we did the drawing at the end. And then again, Sunday, same thing. We're going to be doing a live show, so if you guys want to take the chance of winning this crypto wallet, come and check us out. We're going to have the Secra X team on the breakdown. We're going to do an interview, and we're going to do a one-on-one training where we're actually going to break down how to set one of these wallets up. So again, I didn't want to put my private information and risk sharing that. I didn't know how these things are all going set up, so I never used it. I've unboxed it. I know that the tamper-proof level of protection they offer on these things, like I would buy this on Amazon, no questions asked, would not question it one bit. These stickers, there's like 3 layers of tamper-proof protection on this to ensure you that this product came straight from the factory. Keep that in mind. They went above and and beyond, guys. So this is a great product I can support there. But I told you guys I wasn't going to support anybody. I wasn't going to take any sponsors unless they were willing to come onto the channel, and then you guys can vote them in. So when they come on Sunday, after the Sunday show, I'll post a poll. If you guys think that we should continue to work with them, then we will. If you guys say no, the majority says no, then we won't. So from now on, that's how it is. I will never take a sponsor. I'll never work with any company unless they come in sending somebody on the channel. We already know BitsGap voted in 100%. Ivan had went above and beyond the BitsGap team. If you guys want to learn more about crypto trading bots, check out my videos. They're all linked down in the description. Nothing but love for you guys. Thank you guys so much, cryptocurrency community. I love every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Peace.